An amazing sum. I will show an interesting math trick. There are three sets: set A, set B, set C. In set A, there are nine numbers. Every number is four-digit number: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll tell the logic later. First, you can see the question here. Set A, set B, set C. Every set there are nine numbers, the four-digit number. So you can call from the audience, especially we can give this trick to the students or some audience in a group meeting. You can call any three of them, any three students. Let them select any one of the number from every set. This is the first thing. Okay, for example, from set A, one person selected first number 4286. Let it be. And set B 5792. Any number out of this nine, anything we can select. And set C, okay, let me take second one. Yeah, not only first or second, out of this nine, from every set, let them select any one of the number. Just their wish, right? And I'm writing one number here. So before that, what we'll do, just take 2247. Why I'm taking this number, I'll tell you. So write this number on the paper and just fold it and give to somebody and just wait. So I can call three students, just to select any one of the number among this every set. Okay, set A, B, C, and ask them to say one digit from every set. Okay, say A, B, C. So from set A, the one person selected, no, this 4286. Let him say any one of the digit among this four. Any one of the digit. Okay, among that four, any one of the digit. Let's take A, B, C. Okay, for example, from this 428786, let's say 8 is said one number, that is 8. And from set B, let him say any one of the digit among these four. Any one. 5792, no? Okay, for example, he said 9. And from the C set 5435, any one of the number, he said 5. So first A, from 4286, he said 8. And next, from the remaining 3, let him say any other number. So out of these four, any order, let him say one by one. Okay, next A person said 4. Among these four only, if he said 8, next time he should say any other number from the remaining 3, like that. And he said about, okay, 5. And he said 3. Okay, 5435. If the 5 is repeated, let him say 2 times. Next he took 2. And let's say B, again he said also 2. Okay, from 5792, 9 is over, 5 is over, next to 2 and 7, no? So he said 2, 4. So randomly I am taking. Next the remaining, sir, remaining is 6, and his remaining is 7, and remaining is 5, right? Now just 2247 I said, right? You can add this number, just you can, there's the important trick. Just you can keep line. This number like 895, 453, 224, 675. Add this number 7, 4, and carry 2, 2. 2247 will come. Sure that any number, let them choose any one of the number among this 9. Let them say any order. You'll get again 2247. Then you can give them paper and let them check this both. You'll surprise this paper, whatever wrote answer, this exactly gets same. Right? Not only these three, any three. Let them choose and let them say in order, any order among these numbers, one by one. You can count and that will come exactly 2247. It's very interesting, right? I would want to say the solution also, means why this logic works. I would like to say, just listen. The all the thing is in this concept is within the numbers. You can add the numbers 4286, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 6, 20. The total is 20. Sum of the digits in every number is 20 in the set A. You can notice one. Similarly, in set B, I arrange the numbers. The total is 23. 7547. You can add the digits, 23 will come. 3299, 23 will get. Not only this set A, B, C, any type of sets you can prepare, the digits must be same number. Sum of the digits should be same. And here set C, total is 17 I got. Okay, now they'll say numbers, right? 8426, 4286 or 8426, however you can add, you'll get the same. Set C is selected one of the number and is set in randomly one by one. Okay, 5435, 5435. What will get if you add this total? Absolutely, you'll get 17. 17 means 1 is here and carry 17. Next set B, what will get? Surely will get 23, right? 23 plus 1, 24. 2 and 4. Surely set 8, the total is 20 will come, right? 20 plus 2, 22. Absolutely, 2247. In case if you reveal, you can change again this. Instead of 20, you can make out of 19 also. You can arrange. Not only 9, more than 9 number also, you can arrange. So this is the trick we can follow. The concept is just based on the numbers sum. That's the only thing. I hope the logic is clear for you. Right, these are the logics and tricks I am giving from this. Hope you understood everything. This is the secret of mental math, and you can follow the series in order. It will be very helpful for you. I hope you understood everything. Everything is very clear, and especially the complete. If you want information, you can learn and subscribe the channel for the more information, and you can be updated. We'll update all the information whatever we have, so you can learn from this all the things.